Today, we will listen to the topic, How have you been?
Raymond!
Oh, hi, Grace. How have you been?
Good. I hear you've been to Toronto for a few days.
Yes, I just got back yesterday.
Did you have a nice visit?
Really nice. It was very good going around downtown and shopping. And I saw the Toronto Blue Jays game at Skydome. It seems that Toronto is a very exciting city. My brother Stanley was there too. You've met Stanley, haven't you?
Sure. I met him when he was here in Hamilton last year. What's he doing these days? Still teaching baseball?
Yes, as a matter of fact, he just began to teach elementary school.
Great. How's everything with his kids?
Have you met my nieces?
Yes, they visited you once in the summer, didn't they?
Right. They're both fine.
I haven't seen them in a long time. They must be really big.
Well, they will come over this Christmas. Let's have a great Christmas party together.
That's a good idea.